India first cyber command, Delhi. India first space command, Bangalore. India first theatre command, Lucknow. India first fleet support ship, India first diving support vessel, Nistar. First survey vessel, INS Sandhayak. India first ASW shallow water, INS Arnal. India first project, 15B destroyer, INS Surat. India first project, India first project, 17B frigate, INS Mahendragiri. First project, 71 SUV. India first project, Mahendragiri. INS first P-81 squadron, INS Rajali. First LCS export. First hypersonic missile, HSTDV tested. India export BrahMos, Vietnam. INS Sunayana Chattogram, Mission Sagar 2. India US Lemo renew, 10 years में US Lemo. India France sign, 26 Rafale. India France signs, 26 Rafale. India Russia to co-produce Su-57 in Nasik. India France signed deal, 26 Rafale. Su-57. India first private military satellite, TSL. India first spy satellite, Pixel 2026. India first MIRV Agni 5 mission Divyastra. Agni 5 spy satellite, Pixel. India first nuclear submarine, INS Varsha. First nuclear submarine. India first aircraft carrier, Tapos. First nuclear submarine, INS Varsha. First MRO Agni mission Divyastra. First aircraft carrier, Tapos BH drone. India first loitering munition, Armenia. First loitering munition, Armenia. India first air launched BrahMos, Sukhoi 30 MKI. India first AMCA prototype rollout. India first TED BF 2026. First C295 made in Vadodara. First LCS export, Argentina LCS. First Jorowar tank. First Kalvir class of INS Backseat. First project 75 of TKMS. First project 17B frigate. INS Mahendragiri. First fleet support ship, HSL. First theatre command, 26 of India. First space command, 26 Bengaluru. First cyber command, Delhi. First support ship, HSL. Operation Sindoor commemorative, Rajnath Singh. INS Sanghamitra launch. First NGOPV. Exercise Pragati. Umroi Meghalaya. Dual Nation. Exercise Sinbax 2. India Cambodia. Exercise Pragati. Umroi Meghalaya. DRDO IF tested May 2026. India to export BrahMos. Vietnam. May 2026. INS Sunnayana in Chattogram. Mission Sagar. India Cambodia. Sanghamitra. First NGOPV. AI Judge Pilot. Delhi District Court. First Robot Cafe Bengaluru. First AI Doctor Clinic Nagpur. First 5G Ambulance Mumbai. First Digital Health Mission. Mondi. For Digital Health Mission Districts Mondi. For Synthetic Biology Policy. The first gene edited rice, gene edited Kamala. First gene edited mustard DMH11. mRNA cancer vaccine trial. AIMS 2020. The first Biofoundry Bangalore. First exascale computer Param Siddhi AI. Param Siddhi. In the first AI supercomputer Airavat 20. The first space park Thiruvananthapuram. India first space tourism flight ISRO IN Space 2028. India first space park Thiruvananthapuram. India first space tourism ISRO in space park Thiruvananthapuram. ISRO in space 2020 target. The first AI supercomputer Airavat. In the first scale computer Param Siddhi. First Mars analog mission Ladakh. Analog astronaut Janhavi Dangetti. In the first chip packing. First display fab Tummaluru Vedanta. First display fab. The first chip packing unit CG Power Sanand. The first sodium ion battery plant Karnataka. The first solid state battery. India first solid state battery. India first hyperloop test track IIT Madras. Hyperloop test track. India first urban air mobility corridor Delhi Noida. India first urban air mobility corridor. India first hyperloop test track. IIT Madras. India first Bhatti port Gurugram. India first drone delivery hub Telangana. First drone delivery. India first AIMS digital twin. First AIMS digital twin AIMS Delhi. India first 6G test bed IIT Hyderabad. India first quantum satellite. India first private rocket launch pad Kulasakarapatnam. Private rocket launch pad Agnipur 26. India first reusable launch vehicle landing RLV Lex launch vehicle. India first Mars analog mission Ladakh. Analog astronaut Janhavi Dangetti. Analog astronaut. India first space tourism ISRO. India's first space park Thiruvananthapuram. AIMS Delhi. India first drone delivery Telangana. India first Bhatti port Gurugram. India first urban air mobility corridor Air mobility, Delhi, Noida. Hyperloop test track, IIT Madras. India first solid state battery. India first Hyperloop test track, IIT Madras. Hyperloop test track. First sodium ion battery plant, Karnataka. India first chip packing unit, display fab, Tumurulu. Gene therapy, hemophilia, ICMR. First mRNA vaccine plant, Genova, Pune. First CAR-T therapy approved, Nexar 19. First cervical cancer vaccine, Corvavac. India first nasal COVID vaccine, Incovac. First Omicron booster, Omicron, Gemocovac. First flexi fuel car, Flexifuel, Toyota Innova Hycross. The first green ammonia plant, Tuticorin. First methanol plant from coal, Talcher. The first lithium refinery, Gujarat. First rare earth magnet plant, Vizag. Semiconductor ATMP, Sanand Micron. Display fab, Tumurulu. ISRO SpaceX mission to space docking experiment successfully. Venus mission, ISRO Venus mission, Sukrayan 1, December 20. ISRO Gaganyaan on-crew test, G1, June 26. Gaganyaan on-crew 2. DRDO Tara tested glide weapon. DRDO high caliber bomb tested, Haryana, May 20. India first quantum computer by DRDO, quantum computer. India first photonic chip, IIT Madras. India first 5G lab for healthcare, AIMS Delhi. India first AI University, Universal AI University, Karjat. India first gene therapy, hemophilia therapy, ICMR. mRNA vaccine, Genova, Pune. CAR-T therapy, Nexar. India first cervical cancer, Corvavac. India first nasal COVID, Incovac. Omicron booster, Gemocovac. First flexifuel car, Toyota Innova. Project Cheetah Corps 33, total operation 53. Born. Project Cheetah Corps Bamon. Project Cheetah Corps Bamon Ban Plan, Bamon. Delhi Forest Department, Interactive Biodiversity Space. Jinger mission, May 20. Jinger. Lion Species Spotlight Program launched by the MOE. World Environment Day 26 Host. Azerbaijan theme inspired by nature. Earth Dubai Award to Indian. Deepak Bhatia. India first carbon neutral airport, Cochin. 58 Tiger Reserve.